Well,
Yes, you are. You are.
yeah. Thank you, Sujata, for trusting me and giving me this big job. But with collaboration with you, we are able to do that. And good evening to all the beautiful ladies assembled here. Beautiful, I mean, internally and externally also. We have been watching an array of eminent women who have kept us engaged today. An erudite lawyer, a parody composer, a melodious singer playing on the keyboard and Harshita on the ukulele or whatever it is, a graceful dancer, and it has been an all for Women's Day special. Beautiful programs it was. Now, after sitting for a long time, I think we'll have some fun time, activity time. And this Pictionary Tambola is a game revolving around our favorite office space, our own kitchen. So, with the pictures, I think the Tambola will start very soon. And let me go with the rules of the game. It needs a little smart thinking and fast fingers, that's all. Nothing to be scared of. It is a very simple but interesting game. And the prizes, we have glorious prizes from Vivek's. And I thank Mrs. Nanda Srinivasan again and again for supporting our Mahila Shabha and always being a patron and giving us such wonderful prizes. If I tell you the prizes, I think everybody will start praying, let me win the game. First full house pressure cooker, second full house electric toaster, third full house electric iron box. First, second, and third, and Jaldi 5 microwave starters. Four corners, Mahila corner, King's corner, microwave friendly mixing bowl set. So everything is very, very useful utensil she's giving us. And the rules of the game. The basic rule is, 1 second, a picture will be screened by our team and you have to guess the name and tick it in your ticket. Any picture that is shown, you have to guess it fast and tick it in your ticket and match the same with your ticket. Who was win the Jaldi 5, King's Corner, Queen's Corner, first, second or third rows and the full houses should raise their hands in the chat. They should not unmute and tell the answer that they've got it. It will be disqualified. So it is very important you have fast fingers. The next is the category of prizes is going to be very simple as usual, the normal format. Jaldi 5, three rows, King's Corner on one side, Mahila Corner is nothing else than the Queen's Corner, and full houses, 3 full houses. Those who have qualified for the first few will go only to the full houses. They are not qualified for another third row, something like that. So keep that in mind. And the prizes will be matched. Once you tell your ticket name and the names written on the ticket, we will match with it. And then our team, Mrs. Sujata and team, will confirm the prize. And as Sujata said, this amount is going for a very noble cause. And we are really happy. We are the prizes and doing a charity work. It was a wonderful concept. So can we all start? Shwa, can we start the game?
Yes.
Any doubts you can ask now itself.
Yes.
After once we start the games, we don't entertain any doubts. Any doubts, we'll give you 1 minute time. You can please ask. I think
Nirja,
Yeah.
I can't understand Mahila's corner. I don't know.
Mahila's corner is Queen's corner.
Okay,
King's
okay,
corner,
okay.
Queen's
Okay.
corner. Mahila today being a Mahila day.
Okay, okay, okay.
named it like that. That's all. Okay,
Okay.
please mute yourself also. Anybody else?
How to raise our hand? Participants, we have to type or in chat.
Yeah, in the chat, you get your raise hand symbol. So that more symbol is there. You just have to press that. Chat comes in that raise hands. You just have to press the raise hands.
Just a question, ma'am. What is Queen's Corner and King's? I'm sorry, we are.
Queen's is on the right. Last numbers of all the 3 rows.
Right, fine, got it.
first number of all the 3 rows is kings.
Got it. Thank you.
Queen is always right.
Right.
We women always.
We have, can I tell you once more? We have Jaldi 5, 4 corners, on all the 4 corners, 4. Mahila corner, that is on one side 3, 1. King's corner, the other side, left side 3. Then first row, second row, third row, first full house, second full house, and third full house. Is it clear?
Mahila queen's right side.
Yeah, Mahila is
Yeah,
right side. King is left
Okay,
side.
then.
The right of your hand is Mahila Ma. The
Okay.
left of your hand is King's corner.
Okay, madam.
Now, when we start the screen, we give you half a minute time to match with your ticket. Whatever picture is seen on the screen, the same thing you have to match. Hope you don't go wrong. All the best. Have your fingers crossed. We are starting very soon. Yes, Sujata,
madam.
we'll start.
Yeah. Yes. We are going to show 5 things first, and then she will reveal the answers. Before that, you guys, if you're sure about the answer, tick it and check it out. Otherwise, wait for her to reveal the answer and then tick it. But as of now, they're all very, very clear. So we welcome you all to this Pictionary Tombola, Housey with the difference. And she has already mentioned all the prizes to you. Yes, Neeraja, the screen is yours.
Yeah,
Yes.
And
you
this
need
is
not
the
reveal the
first one.
answers.
Everybody should be knowing this, right? Sai
Yeah,
Gokul Ramnath has raised his hand. Yes,
Mm.
Sai?
Not for one. Jaldi 5, you have to raise your hands.
Yeah, you should get at least 5 of it.
Yeah,
Yep.
we have to stick to the rules of the game. Who has raised the hands? So after you get 5 or the 4 corners or King's corner or Queen's corner, then please raise your hands.
You
The
can
next
lower their
picture.
hand, Chandrika. You can lower their hand. I'm moving on to the second one. First one, you should be knowing what it is. If you have it in your card, kindly tick it. Otherwise, wait for the next one. They all speak for themselves.
Yes, you can change, Sujata.
This is the third one we are calling out. It's yummy. Very, very nice.
It's high tea time.
Yeah, and we're giving a virtual treat. Oh my God.
Yes.
Yeah. Can I move on?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the fourth one we are bringing out.
Yes.
Yeah, so far we brought out 4, and this is also yummy tummy. We'll move on to the next one.
Sujata, we need not tell the answers.
Yeah.
Once they come up with the answer, we'll verify.
Okay. If anybody has raised their hands, then we have to
Yeah,
go for it,
only then.
right?
Only then. Yeah,
Yeah.
only when they raise the hands.
Okay, so far 5 have been called out,
Yes.
and we are moving on. Can I?
Yes, please.
So we'll all start calling dominoes now.
My God, you're giving them the clue.
Sujata,
Yeah?
Sujata, Sita
Yeah?
raised her hand. MS Sita.
Evarma?
Sita.
Sita Mahalakshmi. Okay.
Please
For now,
unmute
I'll just
yourself.
stop the
Sita.
screen share, and we will find out. Okay. Yeah, what is it, Sita Garu? What are you claiming?
Sorry, madam. No one varno. Sorry. Fourth ஆயிடுச்சு.
அதுக்குதான் உங்களை எல்லாரையும் நாங்க கேக்குறது. Wait பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்ட்டு.
Sorry.
Okay. Neeraja, you have to keep unmuting yourself. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. So yes, dominoes అయింది. Next ఏంటి? ఇది ఉంటే మీరు టిక్ చేసేసుకోండి.
Starting and madam.
ఏమ్మా?
Start. Put start.
అవునమ్మా కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాము. Jyotsna has raised her hand.
Raise their hand.
Jyotsna,
Yeah,
lucky,
Jyotsna.
lucky lady always.
Jaldify అయిందా అని.
ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు Jyotsna.
Then I can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually donut, pizza, veeda, gulab jam, idli.
Idli.
Oh.
Okay, your card number Jyotsna.
102.
So Jaldi 5 is over for Jyotsna.
Thank you.
Jaldi 5. Pa, వస్తూనే jackpot Jyotsna.
Thank you.
Jyotsna, you back the
Super
prize
items.
first.
Yummy గా ఉంది. ఏం చేస్తాం?
You can hope for the full house next.
Oh, thank you. చాలు.
అంతే ఇంకా నువ్వు ఫ్లౌస్ కే ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్. ఓకే ఇడ్లీ అయింది. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్
I think it's very simple for our experts, ladies.
Yeah, that is the problem, right?
Yeah.
No, it's good. People are able to find out, right? So it has to be simple for them to enjoy. Yeah, this one also, it's my favorite. I enjoy looking at the size, enormous size. And this as well, I think you chose all wonderful dishes, Neeraja.
The youngsters, one for us and one for the youngsters.
Yeah, alternate.
Yeah.
Very nice. Moving on. Hope
Yeah,
you all know what it is. If it is there,
Yes. Love at first sight, this one.
super. I'm falling in love.
Yeah, please
Yes.
move. It's going to be cool next.
Yes, very cool. We are right in the summer now. Super
Blow cold and next blow hot.
cool. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
No raised hands yet. Moving
we are
on.
waiting.
Yes. Street food. Yummy. Moving on for the next
Yes.
one. This is healthy and tasty and
Small price వస్తే no full ఇదియా? No
Aunama,
other small
we are
price.
directly going to full house.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And ఇది మన
All time favorite. Sujata, you're happily giving clues.
yeah. Yes.
Soft corner, soft lady.
No, just to have the momentum going, you know. So
Yeah.
Yes.
I know ladies will find this out, but they're just searching in the ticket. So we are giving them ample time.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we are just talking. That's why.
Yeah. I'm sure you must make out what it is, but let you all search for the.
And in
alternative.
case మీకు ఎవరికైనా you feel you do not know, kindly ask us. We will repeat whatever. We will tell you so far whatever we have called out.
Can't be done.
Emma,
Can't be.
this is
That answer we won't say, but if you want a repetition of a picture alone, that we can do.
Okay, can I show?
Guesses are yours, ma.
Okay.
no 15 అయినాక చెప్పేస్తాం నీరజ. ఇంకొక 2 అయ్యాక అంటే
Not
she thinks this is
necessary.
Kandvi.
No, we are not supposed to tell Sujata. We are
15
supposed
అయినాక
to.
చెప్పుమా పర్వాలేదు. 2 people have raised hands.
2 people for what? Doubts or
చెప్పండిమా.
is it doubt or you've got the prize or something like that? Yeah, Sujata?
It's interesting. Go on, yeah. No need to explain
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah, we need not tell the answer, Sujata.
ఓకే వాళ్ళు ఏం అడుగుతున్నారని చూడండి. చంద్రిక
Ask if it's a country that's
Jayashree
not
ఇప్పుడు అడిగితే we can't help it. Chandrika, she never gave us any information and we will not be able to give her a card now because
Yes,
already we are halfway through. We can return that money, not an issue. Okay, Chandrika?
Okay, ma.
Okay. Yeah, Jyotsna, I'm just lowering your hand. What is your doubt, Jyotsna? No, when people are in
Jyotsna's
doubt, we can
quiet.
clarify, Chandrika.
Yeah, madam.
There's nothing wrong. She thinks
No, it's not Kandvi. It's
Sujata
okay.
madam.
It's not Kandvi.
చెప్పండి
Madam,
చెప్పండి కుమారి.
అదే మీరు మామూలుగా పిక్చర్ చేస్తున్నారు దాని పేరు చెప్పరా అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
మీరు ఆ పిక్చర్ ని చూస్తేనే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా అని చెప్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు.
Okay.
సరే మా ఇప్పుడు ఒక 2 అయినాక మేము ఈ 15 చెప్తాం మీకు. ఇట్స్ ఓకే.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
ఓకే ఓకే అలా చెప్తే కొంచెం తెలుస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
Okay, ma. Chadutama.
యా
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
యా
2 more to go.
యా.
Yes.
Malati has raised a hand. Yes, Malati, what is your claim?
Malati.
King's Corner,
Okay.
Okay.
ticket number 133,
Hmm.
Bida,
Bida,
ice cream,
ice cream.
Poli or Obatu.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. So Malati
Okay.
plays
King's Corner.
Sujata, even mine, it is
Rohit.
Mahila corner అయిపోయింది Sujata.
Mahila corner.
Hey,
Who is
Jemila,
that?
super.
Who is that?
Ramashri.
Ramashri.
Ramashri,
Okay.
but my son's name లో వచ్చింది.
Chepma.
Rohit Adde. Yeah,
The ticket number?
the serial number is 105.
105. Okay.
Idli, chola bhatura, బొబ్బట్లు, పోలి లాస్ట్
Okay,
వన్.
very good. మీరిద్దరు కరెక్ట్ గా లాస్ట్ చెప్పిన దానికే మీరు క్లెయిమ్ చేశారు.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Giving it to both of you. So
Okay. Thank you.
yeah, Rama gets queens.
మహిళా కార్నర్.
ఇంకా
Yeah,
మనకు
Malati
మహిళా corner.
claims King's Corner. Fine.
ఇంకా మనకు 3 rows ఉన్నాయి అండ్ 4 కార్నర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ ది చూపిస్తాము, ఆ తర్వాత we will just repeat so that you will know what it is. Names చెప్పేస్తాము. Okay, this is the last one for now. Okay, we are going to
Check your
Neeraj is
tickets
going to
and
announce
can I-
all the 15. ఇంతవరకు
Yeah.
15 ఎత్తాము, ఆ 15 ఇప్పుడు నీరజ రిపీట్ చేయబోతారు. ఏంటి?
Just recheck all of you all. I'll go slowly. Donut, appam, pav bhaji, gulab jamun, bida, idli, chole bhatura, French fries, ice cream, paneer tikka, avakai, vada, obbattu or poli, curd rice.
And pizza you missed out. Pizza.
Pizza, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, pizza.
So
Fine.
these are the items that got over. So now no raised hands. So we are moving on. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
Ma'am, Sujata madam, I've got a doubt.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, so it is a normal idli or the rava idli?
Normal
It will be
idli.
normal
I missed
idli.
that picture.
Normal idli.
Normal idli.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Kindly mute yourselves. Otherwise, Chandrika, mute them, please. Chandrika, ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళని mute చేయండి.
Or mute everybody, we'll unmute ourselves.
Okay, we are
Yeah.
moving on to the next one.
Hmm.
So this is also another street food which we all enjoy. And yeah,
This is the Kerala special now, special in Tamil Nadu.
yes.
The crispy, crunchy, savory. Yeah, the kids' tiffin box.
Mouth watering, everybody loves it.
Missing the chopsticks next to it.
Yeah, chopsticks are there.
There.
Okay, we'll move on.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 participants have raised hands.
This is a little tricky. Try to guess.
Neeraja,
Yeah.
2 participants have raised hands.
Okay. Please unmute them.
Yeah, Rohit, Rama, you're playing only for the finals. You're not getting any other prize for now. Rama, is there any query for you? Rama, unmute yourself and tell us.
Unmute, Rama.
Yeah, last one screening నాకు రాలేదు.
ఏమా?
లాస్ట్ వన్ తర్వాత బొబ్బట్లు అయిపోయాక పోలి అయిపోయాక ఇంకేదైనా స్క్రీనింగ్ వచ్చిందా?
అన్ని వచ్చినాయి, అన్ని పోతా ఉన్నాయి.
No, after పోలి.
అదేమ్మా అన్ని పోతా ఉంది, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ చూసారు.
5 items have come.
I didn't get it. ఒకటి కూడా రాలేదు నాకు. That's what.
I will tell you so far. మీరు చూసుకోమా, something is wrong with your phone. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll read out ma after 20 also we'll read out.
Yeah, ఒక నిమిషం ఇప్పుడు స్వాతికి. స్వాతి చెప్పమా. Swati, what is it that you're claiming?
I just want to know the first King's Corner is over.
King's Corner is over. Over.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Swarnalatha, what are you claiming?
The Queen's Corner, right hand right.
That's also over, Swarnalatha.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
And
Jaldi 5 is over. Jaldi 5 is over. King's Corner is over. Mahila Corner is over. Don't
Now
come back.
we have 4 corners and 3 rows. Geetanjali Segu, what is it that you're claiming?
4 corners.
4 corners are also over.
No, 4
I mean, 4 corners are not over. Come on, tell us.
Not over.
Sorry, tell us.
4 corners is there.
Yeah, tell us.
Ice paneer tikka, obit, pulka.
And
4 you
pulka
have to
and
tell.
then
Please repeat.
what corner are you asking now?
4 corners.
Yeah, tell. I could hear only 2, not 4.
Ice cream,
Ah,
paneer tikka,
okay.
obatu, pulka.
Yes.
Pulka has not. Oh, yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
What's her name?
4 corners for Geetanjali. Geetanjali, you link
Geetanjali,
your phone number in case if we do not know, you put it in the chat.
Yeah, I'll send.
Or
Your ticket number. Ticket number.
Ticket number. Geeta?
Hello,
Yeah, your ticket number.
164.
Geeta, you have 2 phones on, 2 systems on. That's why we are getting an echo and we are not able to hear you properly. You mute one and then you can talk in another one. Okay. Now you've got the 4 corners. We are moving on for the other 3 rows. Okay.
So
for
now,
Rama's sake-
one second, I'll tell Sujata because they are keeping on asking. No,
Yeah.
Jaldi 5, King's Corner, Mahila Corner, 4 corners are over. Great going.
Okay. Next one, we are moving on. Yeah. Yeah, I think Nirmala has raised a hand. Yes, Nirmala?
Ticket number 135, third line.
Third line. Okay, Chappandi, Nirmala.
Pasta, pizza, chole bhatura, gulab jamun, banana chips.
Excellent. So Geeta
Thank you.
gets third row. Congratulations, Geeta.
Thank you.
Both Geeta square have got. Very nice. Super.
Now you
And,
can start
Neerja.
aiming for first row, second row full houses.
Yeah, Neerja, you can announce
Read
these
out.
5, Neerja, for Rama's sake.
Yeah. Yes. After Obbatu, we have curd rice, pani puri, banana chips, noodles, fulka,
And
pasta.
pasta. Yeah. Okay, Rama, are you good now?
Thank you, Sucheta.
Yeah, my pleasure. Now you have a look at it. We are moving on. Next one. You guys are able to see it, right?
Yeah. There is a black screen that's coming. You have
Black
to move
screen,
the black. Yeah, something black.
ఇది which name?
Yes.
We'll tell you after 5, ma. Make your guesses. It's a little food for thought also. కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి మేము చెప్తాం ఒక 5 అయ్యాక.
Okay, moving on.
మీరు ఆ వెజల్ చూసి కనిపెట్టాలి వాట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అని.
Okay, madam.
క్లూ. Okay, fine.
We are moving on to the next one.
దీనికి క్లూ కావాలన్నా మీకంతా ఎవరికన్నా?
No, no.
Okay, okay.
Everybody's clear about this.
Okay.
Yes. Super. దీనికి కూడా క్లూ అక్కర్లా.
Sujata, we want it now.
Yes, yes. అందరికి వర్చువల్ గా ఇచ్చేస్తాం.
అదే yes, I'm smelling it now.
Yes, they're moving on.
Yeah, move on.
Okay, all good? Can we move on?
Auntie,
Yes, 25 I'll read out.
Jayashree also has raised a hand.
Oh, Jayashree.
yes, auntie, it's Harshita, auntie.
Okay.
Ticket number 153.
ఫస్ట్ రమాశ్రీ రేస్ చేసిందారుమా. హర్షిత ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Okay, auntie, okay.
ఏం రమా నీ క్వశ్చన్?
నేనేం చేయలేదు మా.
ఓకే, ఐమ్ లోవరింగ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్.
ఓకే
ఓకే, జయశ్రీ మీరు చెప్పండి. హర్షిత చెప్పమా.
Auntie, second line, auntie.
ఓకే, టికెట్ నంబర్.
Okay, second row.
153.
ఓకే, టెల్ మీ.
Ven pongal, banana chips, pizza, idli, and Mysore pak.
Excellent. So Harshita
Super.
get it. Very good, Harshita. Second line.
Thank you, auntie.
All right. Now we have only one more line, and then it's all full houses. Yes.
It's only the first row.
Yeah, first row. Only first row. Yeah.
After this, I'll read out the answers,
Yeah,
Sujata.
please.
Yeah.
That will be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No doubts about this.
Yes, Neeraja, you can go
Yeah.
on.
We had fulka, that is the small puri on the fire. It symbolizes that. That's why. Then pasta, dum biryani, because mud pot, it's dum biryani. Mysore pak, coffee, ven pongal, idiyappam.
Awesome. Are there any raised
One
hands
lady
now?
had a doubt about biryani. Because of the mud pot, you can categorize as dum biryani. Yeah.
Super. And this is
Yeah.
all the kids' favorite. Super duper.
Not only kids, adults favorite.
Adults also. Ever Jyotsnaki istama?
Birthday specials.
Yes. Very nice. Now her grandson's birthday is coming up on 15th.
అవును మీకు అందరికి వర్చువల్ గానే చాక్లెట్స్.
Chocolates. Yes.
Simple, kada?
Yeah. And now this one.
Wow. Really we need this set.
Favorite. వెళ్తే చాలు, బీచ్ కి వెళ్తే చాలు.
జత టెంప్ట్ చేస్తా ఉంటారు నీరు
మాకు మైక్రోవేవ్ బౌల్స్ వద్దు, ఇవి బజ్జీ గులాబ్ జామ్ కావాలి.
ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫర్.
Yeah, we'll give you.
All Neeraja and Aparna's doing.
అదే
Virtual treat.
Andhra favorite. Yeah. Correct time also.
Regular.
Timing is so perfect.
Virtual treat మనకు.
సూపర్ గా ఉంది.
But it raised their hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I think Santa Shriram.
ఈ బ్లాక్ స్క్రీన్ వస్తుంది పక్కన.
Yeah, Ma Sujata. There's a black screen seen in the picture.
అదే అది
We can
ఏమీ
see that.
తెలియదే.
It's gone.
No. అది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే ఐఎమ్ కంట్రోలింగ్ ది నేమ్స్. ఎవరెవరు హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేశారు వాళ్ళని ఎత్తేటప్పుడు వస్తాను. Because somebody has to do that kada.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. We'll let you know and then it'll go.
Yeah, Shanta, మీరు చెప్పండి. Shanta garu.
Ticket number
106. Number
106.
106. Okay.
Burger. First line calling.
ఓ మన శాంతానా శ్రీరామన్ పేరు పెట్టుకొని మమ్మల్ని ఏమార్చుతా ఉన్నారా?
మా వాయిస్ చూసి కనిపెట్టాను. శాంత గారు.
One more Gemini. Come on.
ఎప్పుడోసారి కలుస్తుంది.
చెప్పండి.
బర్గర్, నైన్ పొంగల్, పావ్ బాజీ, నూడిల్స్, డోనట్.
Excellent, excellent.
Super,
so
super.
is over. Now it's 3 full houses we have. So it's going to be a serious matter. Everybody is eligible. Screen telleru, em telleru anteno, we can't help it. Let's move on. Yes. Okay. Yummy, yummy.
Very late.
All the weddings.
My favorite.
Ever raise chesaru evaraina? Late.
Heart attacks.
Okay. Okay, another favorite of mine. I love it. It's so porous.
నా నోరు ఊరిపిస్తున్నారు మీరు.
అదే
చెప్పి
కదా.
Yes. Okay, Neeraja, with 26 to 30 చెప్పండి.
Yeah. After idiyappam, we had chocolate, mirch bhaji, burger, kaju katli, dokla.
Super. So no raised hands for full house. We'll move on.
Yes, yes.
This one also you guys should be knowing it pretty well by the shape of it. If not, we'll wait for 25 to get over. I mean 35 to get over, then we will know. Yes. పొగలు వస్తున్నాయి.
Yeah.
It's fumes all over the place.
మీరు క్లూ ఇస్తున్నారు.
అవును
అవును, కాస్త క్లూ.
బజ్జీ కాజు కత్తలు అన్ని పెట్టుకోండి.
ఇంకొంచెం క్లూ ఇచ్చేదా? క్రీమ్ సెంటర్ అని.
that as well.
సూపర్.
Yeah.
ఒక కలర్ ఒకటి అవుతుంది.
Okay.
ఇందాక నుంచి ఎవరో అడుగుతున్నారు ఇది.
అదే చెప్పేశారు మీరు.
Next.
Yeah, you've got the next one.
Yeah. Indianized version now.
ఒకటి కాంటినెంటల్, ఒకటి కన్వెన్షనల్. Super
Traditional, all nulls.
Favorite dish.
Yes.
My God, yeah.
31 to 35, Neeraja.
Yes. After dokla, many must have had a doubt with this.
No doubt.
Spring roll.
Yes.
Oh, good. Then
Sizzlers.
Then
Kandvi.
Kandvi. Murukku. Corn cheese ball.
Yes.
Super. And now again we will all keep quiet and we will wait for the picture to speak for itself. Okay? They took us to Kerala. Now we are going to Karnataka.
ఇది సైడ్ డిషెస్ గుర్తు పెట్టాలి.
అదే. ఓకే, కర్ణాటక అయింది. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు తమిళనాడు.
All the tea shops.
Yes.
Any nook and corner of India, the tea shop.
Yeah.
Yes, next.
We've got the next one. On.
Even this thing, the side dish you have to make out. Yes, everybody is so silent. No full houses yet. All coming together must be.
Yes. The last one for now. These 5, she's going to tell us what they are. Okay, everybody has seen this, right? Can we reveal?
The Karnataka special Bisibelabath.
Yeah, Bisibelabath.
Sing the bundi, it's Bisibelabath. Otherwise, it's like sambar rice.
Cheppandi.
మేడం
Emma?
పుల్లౌసి
పుల్లౌజా వావ్ చెప్పండి
సారీ సార్ బేల్పూరి వచ్చిందా మేడం
ఏమా
బేల్పూరి
రాలేదమ్మా ఇంకా.
సారీ సారీ
Sorry na. Okay. I'll read out Bisbelabad, samosa.
Okay.
Change your picture.
అవునండి
Samosa.
ఒక నిమిషం
Okay. Cutlet. In the picture, it looks like vada, but it's cutlet. Jalebi, son papdi.
Yeah. So we are done with 40. So no claims.
Gone.
Emma?
Pressure cooker gone. Every
ఇంకా లేదు ఇంకా ఎవరికి పోలేదు మిమ్మల్ని ప్రెషర్ లో
చాలా ఉన్నాయి పిలవట్లా
గోనా అంటే ప్రెషర్ కుక్కర్ మా ఇంట్లో ఏమైనా వినబడిందేమో అనుకున్నా.
సుచేత గారు ఇంకా ఫస్ట్ రో అవ్వలేదు కదా?
Only full houses, ma.
Only full houses.
Okay.
We are waiting for the lucky ladies.
Next is Veena.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey. Yeah. She got
Somebody asked Sujata, can we tell her? Papa?
Yeah, Kumari.
మేడం
మీకు వచ్చేసింది ఫుల్ హౌస్.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఉండండి మేము వచ్చి రాసుకుంటాము. ఇది బేల్పూరి. ఓకే చెప్పండి కుమారి. టికెట్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి.
టికెట్ నెంబర్ 149.
149. ఓకే చెప్పండి మేడం.
కార్న్ చీజ్ బాల్. కాజు కతలి.
ఏమా? కాజు కట్లియా? ఓకే.
జిలాబీ. మిర్చి బజ్జీ. బిస్మిల్లాబాద్. బనానా చిప్స్. డోక్లా. సిజ్లర్. ఐస్ క్రీమ్. బేల్పూరి. డోనట్. చాక్లెట్.
పులావా.
డోనట్ DONUT.
Donut.
Chocolate. Spring roll. French fries. Then pongal.
Excellent, madam. Congratulations, Kumari garu. Meer pressure cooker kotteskunnaru. Very nice. So thank you, Vivek, for giving pressure cooker. Avida chaala enthusiastic person anamata, Kumari garu. So very nice. Congratulations, madam.
Yeah, she was checking so many times whatever she didn't know.
Yeah.
Ultimately, she's knocked the prize. Great.
She deserves it.
Congrats, madam.
Smart item done. అదే బాగుంటుంది ఫెస్టివల్ అప్పుడు అంటే అదే డౌట్ వచ్చింది నాకు.
Very nice, madam. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we are moving on. Yeah. This one also should be easy to identify. If in doubt, you can wait for Neeraja to disclose. We have 2 more full houses to be given away.
Yeah.
Also beautiful thing. Yeah. Are there any raised hands? No, so far. Okay, we'll move on. Neeraja, can we move on?
Yeah, please.
This is a Pictionary. That's why we are not revealing that much. Look at the picture and understand what it is. Yeah. We'll move on to the next one.
Yeah, Suchata.
Not bad. We've come to 45.
45.
Yeah.
Can I tell the answers?
I'll just go back.
I raised my hand, please.
Oh, you have. 2 people have raised their hands. Jyotsna and Kavya. Yes, Jyotsna, tell us.
Okay, mirchi bajji, idiyappam, chocolate, pizza, donut, noodles, dhokla, dosa, beeda, French fries, laddu, cutlet, gulab jam, idli, samosa.
Okay, very good.
Laddu was the last.
Yeah, you got it. Yes, Jyotsna, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, Jyotsna.
Thank you.
Neeraja.
You started and ended the game. Yeah.
Kavya also has raised a hand. Can we go forward, Pulaus?
Yeah, please, ma.
Yeah, Kavya, you tell us the number.
Auntie, my ticket number is 170.
Okay.
I would like to know the cake is Black Forest cake.
No, this is not Black Forest. This is mousse.
Okay, auntie, fine.
Okay.
Thank you, auntie.
Okay, so you are not getting it, right?
No, auntie.
Okay, the third house still open. You're going to reveal it, right? Neeraja?
Should I reveal the answers now?
Yeah. Better, right? After
Yeah.
Belpuri.
Belpuri, Rasgulla, mousse, dosa, laddu.
Yeah, we have
Up to now.
8 to go, 9 to go. So let's see who that lucky winner is. Fastest finger first. Chandrika, ఎవరైనా raise చేస్తే మాకు చెప్పండి. I will not be able to see. That's why.
Yeah, I'm looking at the screen only.
Yeah, you can just announce it. Yeah, guys. Now this is
Jayashree.
Jayashree has raised her hand and Kavya also asked. Yeah, both of them.
Yeah, Kavya and Jayashree.
No, first Jayashree, then Kavya.
Yeah, first Jayashree. Jayashree.
Yes, read out. Harshita auntie.
Okay,
Harshita.
Donut, poli, pizza, spring roll, rasagulla, ven pongal, banana chips, bida,
okay,
idli, Mysore pak, fulka, French fries, laddu, black forest, and paneer tikka.
Excellent. So
Wow.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Kavya lost.
Kavya also is lucky, but we are done with it. Yes, Kavya, you are lucky and you won the prize, but we will not be able to give it. We are giving it to Harshita. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neeraja.
It was very nice.
Super, Neeraja. Me bread toast chest
Neeraja.
Thank you to Double Dhamaka winner.
We all enjoyed.
How did you all enjoy, guys?
Yeah, super, Neeraja. Very good.
Nice.
All Geminis got prizes. More happy.
Nice చెప్తున్నారు. ప్రైజ్ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళంతా చాలా బాగున్నారు ఖుషిగా.
Very nice game, actually. We enjoyed a lot.
Joshna and Harshita.
Double dhamaka వాళ్ళకి.
Actually ఎప్పుడు తంబోలా మనము నంబర్స్ తో చేస్తాం 8 8 5 2 5 all by single number 1 అలా కాకుండా కొంచెం thought
Different. It's nice.
And
interesting.
Kumari madam, special congrats to you.
Different game.
Sir, unmute
చేసుకోండి.
మా స్టూడెంట్ కాబట్టి ఆ కుక్కర్ నేనే తీసుకుంటాను.
మీకే సార్.
మంచి ఐడియా. Yes. Accepted. We will
answer.
మాకు హౌసీలో రాలేరు కాబట్టి మేము స్వీట్ షాప్ కి ఏదైనా కొనుక్కు తెచ్చుకుందాం
కాదండి మీరు కవిత రాసేస్తారు స్వీట్
వర్చువల్ గా పెట్టేసి అమర్చేస్తున్నారు మనల్ని.
అన్ని చేసి పెట్టి మేము వస్తామా అన్ని చేసి పెట్టి మేము వస్తామా
Thank you so much. Can we have the formal vote of thanks by Chandrika? Okay.
Yes, Sujata.
Thank you so much, Neeraja. We all really enjoyed, and it's over to.
Super. Thank you,
Neeraja. Thank you, Sujata, for the opportunity.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening, all. Today was Mahilas celebrating Women's Day.
అప్పుడే చూసాను మెసేజ్ కాల్ చేయనా అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
Please. Can there be a good and appreciation for the support? The virtual celebration and happy events have come to an end, and I'm before you to extend a warm vote of thanks on behalf of the Sabha. I wholeheartedly thank the day's special invitee, lawyer Swarnalatha Mahesh, for highlighting about protection and empowerment of Nari. Thank you, madam. I wholeheartedly thank the mom and son duo, Mrs. Uma Garu and Mrs. Sailesh Garu, for their great parody singing rendered by them. I thank Mrs. Sunita Ajit for the divine rendering of our prayer song. Thanks Manimala for the melodious singing about women. I thank Sai Sudha for entertaining the Mahilas with her dance. I thank sweet Harshita for their nice singing and very different performance given by her. I thank past chairperson Mrs. Vaijayanti Bhashakarlu, Vice Chairperson Manimala, and Maheshwari Shiva, and Mrs. Kalve Sumati for introduction of all the guests and performers. I thank past chairperson Mrs. Neela Dasapasan for conducting the yummy pictorial tambola for all of us. My sincere thanks to Vivek for sponsoring the gift for the tambola. I thank friends from the, my sincere thanks to all of you, and I thank especially the people from the press also here. May this Women's Day flower into a day of appreciation to all the women who are the form of the Mother Shakti. Thank you, friends. Hope you all enjoy the program.
Let's all finish it off with the national anthem, Glory to our country as well.
Hip hip hooray to all Mahilas.
Yeah, 3 cheers to Mahilas. Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
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 Thank you. Let's all raise for the national anthem.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, friends, for making this program a grand success. I'm really happy and pleased, and